Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook memories. So, Facebook memories lets you revisit posts, photos, videos, live events, and friendships from previous years. You can access it anytime through the Facebook app or website. So, open the Facebook app and sign into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, scroll down until you see memories. Select that. Then browse your memories for the day, including posts, photos, videos, and friendship milestones from previous years. On a computer, if you're using your computer, you can go to facebook.com, then log into your account. Then click menu or use the left sidebar depending on your layout. Select memories from the available options. You can also visit memories page directly by entering facebook.com/memories in your browser. So your memories page may include posts you shared on the same date in previous years, photos and videos you uploaded, friendship anniversaries and milestones, major life events you've added to your profile, or recaps, and seasonal memory collections created by Facebook. If you're looking for a specific memory that doesn't appear on today's memories page, you can go to your profile, then scroll through your timeline or use the activity log. So click the three dots in the top right or look for activity log, then click on that. Then you can filter your activity by year, month, or content type to find all their posts, photos, comments, or videos. And that's it. Thank you for watching.